Alright, welcome back. This is my $500 stash video. I'll get a clear look for you in the back and the front, and then we can get started. Okay, so first we have the Bling Bling 36 shot 200 gram cake by Brothers. A very nice cake. It shoots flaming balls and reports. Next we have clay smoke balls. This is by Fireworks, and they're basically like hard balls that shoot smoke. I've got 2 bags of those. These are green hornets, and this is what they look like. They spin up into the air, and they're really cool. Next we have a 6 artillery shell kit. There's 6 artillery shells in here. This brand's made by Fireworks, and it says shoots flaming balls. It does not report, so, well, it may. I don't know, it doesn't say on here. I've never tried these out before. This end up, yeah, red wit, and it shows you what they do. Next we have Mobile Mendance. It's a 35 shot 200 gram cake by Brothers. Really nice. Shoots flaming balls, and yeah, it's a pretty nice color. I like the picture on it. Next we have Killer Cake. It's a 19 shot 200 gram cake. It's by Fireworks. Lots of stuff's by Fireworks, and a lot of it's by Brothers. And then, like, some are just made by other stuff. Bombing Mission, 10 shot, 200 gram cake. It's a TG Top Gun Fireworks Co. Ltd. Now we move up to Festival Ball. I've got 5 of these, and this one kind of fell out, but it's they're mortars, and basically they just they do this, that, and that. Pretty cool. They're like little ball shells. I've got 5 of those. They're also by Window, if I haven't said that. Next we have Festival Shells. Festival Shells is by Supreme Fireworks. It's a China company, so I don't know. I've never heard of it before. But it's like this type. It's smaller than these. A comparison is it's smaller than those, but it's really fun. Okay, and we got 3 up here and 1 down there. And then these are really big mortars by Brothers. It's called American Chief. And these are one of my favorites. Boy. Then under it, it's Quest. They've got a 24 pack of Quest canister shells. You can look them up. I don't really know how to explain them. I've never used these ones before. I usually use Excalibur and like other stuff. I never use. This is, I think, I don't know if this is a 4-inch or 3-inch. I think it's a 4-inch, but yeah. That's my $500 stash video. It seems like a little, but it's actually a lot. Like, if I take them all out of the boxes, it's a lot. Bye, thanks for watching.